Good afternoon, everyone. Sit up straight. Do you remember what you have learned before? For example, you learned you can use some words to describe location, yes? To tell people where you are, right? So, in the following, I'm going to play you a video, okay? And you're going to tell me where the ring is, okay? And see how much you can still remember. Okay, in this section, tell me where the ring is. Where is it? Yes, on the table. Everybody, the whole sentence. The ring is on the table, yes. How about the next one? The ring is, yes, we say that that is an armchair, okay? Whole sentence, whole class. The ring is on the armchair. Yes. One more. Where is it? Yes. Under the sofa. Whole sentence. Yes, the ring is not under the sofa. Very good. How about us? Where are we now? We are what the classroom. In the classroom. Very good. We are in the classroom. Whole class. Yes. Do you know what? How do we call these kind of words? We have in, right? In the classroom, on the table, under the sofa. We call them prepositions or places. Everybody's prepositions of place. Okay? So today we're going to learn more about this. Okay? And the first two, okay, I would like you to put up your left hand. Do you know which one is the left hand or right hand? See each other if you are putting up, if you are raising the same hand. If you're not sure, I need your thumb and your index finger. In Chinese, you call that second finger, right? Like this. Come on. For both hands. Like this. No, like this. Yes, and then do it like this. Which hand gives you a big letter L? And that is your left hand. Can you put that up? Which one gives you the big letter L? Capital letter L. Yes. So how about this one? Yes, then the one that doesn't give you the capital letter L is the right hand. You only have two hands, right? So either left or right, okay? So this is on your left, okay? Your left, and this is your right, okay? So, can I ask, so what is on your left, okay? The towel, this one, that one is on your left, very good. And the doors, you have two doors in the classroom, right? The doors are on your right, on your right. How about your classmates? Your classmates are on your, you see the difference now. Somebody say left, somebody say right. Yes. So you're doing like this, yes. So, for this row, your classmates are on your left, on your left. And for this row, your classmates are on your right. So that means these three rows are, we will say these three rows are between this row on my left and this row on my right. Okay. So this is the third preposition. Yes. So between and. Okay. So when you use between, you join two things together. So the example I used just now is between this row and this row, yes. So you use between to join two things, to join two rows together. Okay? So you have on your left, on your right, and then between. Yes? So, before we move on to your textbook, the last one. Next to, okay, for example, I will say this table is next to you. Okay. I will also say this table is on my left, yes. It's also next to you. Okay. Okay. So you can see next to, okay, so we use next to point at things on the left or on the right. Okay. And we are very close to each other. Okay. We don't say the doors next to me, right? Good. So, any questions? Any questions? And then, I need your textbook now. Page 6. Everybody, page 6. This one. Yes? Okay. Can you do number 2, 4, 5, 7? Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, before that, can we go to the speech bubble at the top? On your left, okay? The first speech bubble on your left. So you can see Kim sits on my right. Jason sits blah blah blah. Can you see that? So that is what should be the answer? What should be the answer? So if you picture this in this classroom, for example, so Jason will be this one, K will be this one, and then K will be this one. So the answer will be K is speaking. Jason sits on my left. Very good. Can you put it down? Jason sits on my left. Do you know what I'm doing? 3 minutes? Can you do 2, 4, 5, 7? Any questions? Can you check the answers now? Number 2, who is that? Eric sits next to Jojo. Very good. Jojo. Check if you get the correct answer. Number 4. The answer should be between. Barry sits between Jake and Phil. Between. Number 5. Who sits next to Peggy? Next to means the name of the partner. Yes, Toto. Toto sits next to Pinky. Number 7. Who is that? Ellen. Very good. Very good. Ellen sits between Kenny and Mandy. Any questions? If no, we have 2 more prepositions. Okay? And I'm going to play you a video again. Not this one. So you observe very carefully where the present is. Good? The present is here. So in this case, we say the present is behind the vowels. Can you see the whole present? No, the present is part of it, yes. It's covered by the vowels. Okay. You can't see clearly. Okay, the present is at the back of the house. So everybody, the present is behind the house. Once again, the present is behind the house. Yes. But if the present now is like this, okay? Can you see the present now? Yes, clearly, very clear. So the present is in front of the house. Okay, everybody. Yes, the present is in front of the house. Okay? Can you try one more? No, actually. So if the present is now here, it is actually similar to this one. Yes? Yeah, similar. Yes. So the present is behind the tree. Everyone? Yes, behind the tree. Okay. So the tree, sorry, the present is behind the tree. How about this one? We have here. Looks similar, yes? So can you tell me where is the present? Very good. Present is behind the car. Once again? Yes. How about, yes. How about this one? Hmm, where is the present now? Yes, it is in front of, okay, in front of the car. Okay. So you see that they are different, okay? They're even opposite to each other. Either it is behind or in front of. Okay? It is in front of the car. And can we try one more? If the present is here, we say the present is in front of the car. How about if the present is here? If the present is here, we say the present is Yes, in front of the tree. Okay. Do you know what I'm doing? So you're in front of and behind. Yes. Can we go to your textbook again? Can you do here? Okay, in front of and behind. Number 136. Same page, okay? Page 6, number 136. 3 minutes? 2 minutes? 2 minutes. So the same seating plan. Can we check the answers now? Number 1. Ron sits in front of Kiki. Very good. Helen sits, number 3. Helen sits in front of. Excellent. Kim. In front of, number 3. How about number 6? Who sits behind Max? Yes, Karen. Catch up? Hey. Any questions? So before we end the lesson, I was going to do one more activity with you. Page 8. You see some boxes there. I changed a little bit there. You don't do it with that. So you see, I have 6 items there, and I'm going to tell you the location. Okay. Tell you where these items are, and you put them in suitable boxes. Okay? Suitable boxes. Are you ready? Page 8. Either you do it on map A or map B, it doesn't matter. Any questions? If no, then we'll start. Okay? I'll tell you according to this order. Okay? The first one about football court, yes. So, the football court is between the pond and the snack bar. The football court is between the pond and the snack bar. Finished? Second one, okay? What is that? That is your English store. I just follow the next one. The English store is behind a pond. You see the exact same sentence, yes? The English store is behind the pond. Number 3, about your car park. Not your car park, the car park. The car park is on the right of toilets. The car park is on the right of the toilets. Okay. Number 4. About your, no, not your, about the Chinese food. The Chinese food is in front of the car park. Okay. The Chinese food is in front of the car park. Seems like dictation, yes. Finished? Number 5. Getting difficult. About the staff room, okay? The staff room is next to the toilets. The staff room is next to the toilets. Next to is, what is next to? The staff room is next to the toilets. The last one, are you excited? The English store is on the left of the covered playground. Getting difficult. The English store is on the left of the covered playground. Have you finished? Have you finished? What do you feel? Is it easy or difficult? Can you check the answers now? So on the textbook, you already have points. You already have phones. You also have snack bar. I don't write a whole lot, okay? So the first one, so we check from right to left, so left to right. Yes, and from top to bottom. So this one does. What is this one? Yes, football courts. Because the football courts, no, this is not football courts. This is, let's see, starfield. Because, oh, yes, this is starfield. So, next to the toilets, because car park is here. Yes. The car park is on the right of the toilets. And then the staff room is next to the toilets. So this one occupies, so here, car park here already. So the staff room is next to the toilets, and we have this one left, yes? So this is staff room. Okay. What about here? You should get it right. English store, yes. You write the whole one, okay? English store here. How about this one? This is covered playground because what? The English store is on the left of the covered playground. So on the left of the covered playground is the English store. Yes. So the covered playground is here. Okay. So what about this one? There is something in front of the car park, yes. So that is Chinese food. So let me see here. Chinese food. What about this one? Yes, the football court is between. Do you remember the function? Yes. So between the pond and the snack bar. So this is football court. Any questions? English school. Any questions? So this is a page 8. So, any questions? So what did you learn today? What did you learn today? Can you give me some examples? You have learned, for example, you have learned in front of, what else? Yes, behind. What else? How do you distinguish? How do you identify left and right? Yes, you can do it in your exam, in your text. Yes. Any questions? Good. Thank you very much.